What is going on, everybody? It is Darian here, and today we are back better than we were the last time because my friends at FiFine just sent me the FiFine K669L. I know that's a long title, but this is a budget microphone, roughly around $32, and today we're going to see if it's a budget microphone that you can use going into the future, because I know there's a lot of microphones. When you're looking for a budget microphone, usually like $50 to $70 is enough, and then sometimes there's 20, but sometimes those don't last long, sometimes those don't sound well. Well, today we're going to check this microphone out. It's like right here somewhere, and then yeah, we're going to see basically what it sounds like, what it's made out of, the quality, everything. So I'm definitely excited. But before we get into that, if you like tech just like me, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox it. Alright, so the main purpose of me unboxing this is just to really show you what it comes with, and also to point out that this pop filter that I got with it does not actually come with the microphone itself. I believe this is an extra $12. If I'm wrong on the price, even if I'm right, I'm going to put the price on the screen so you can see that. But yeah, I just wanted to show you what you get with it. I've already opened it, but like I said, I haven't opened it for the camera. But I have not tested it, so that's what we're going to do today. Alright, so we're going to open this up. Okay, it comes with this little insert thing, thanking you for being a valued customer. Here's the instruction manual. We don't do instruction manuals. I'm hard-headed around here. Okay, covering up the microphone. And here is the microphone itself. I have the blue one. I think there's a black one, and I think there's a red one as well, but I'm not 100% sure. I could be wrong on that. But yeah, I have the blue one. As you can tell, it feels pretty heavy. So it feels like it actually is sturdy, and it actually feels pretty comfortable. Well, not comfortable. That's not a good word to use, but more so it feels sturdy, feels quality. We don't know what it sounds like, but you can see the microphone on the inside, like the actual mic part. That's pretty interesting to me. I've never seen that before. And then you got your volume right here. You don't have any gain or anything, but that's fine. I don't know if I know I haven't mentioned this yet, but this is a USB microphone. So like I said, it's one of the lower end microphones that you can use, and that can actually be good for your setup. You never know until you try, and that's what we're here for today. And then I open this, and then here's the little stand that comes as plastic. And this feels pretty quality as well. The legs are some kind of metal, maybe. And then this is plastic right here, but it's like a hard plastic. So you set up like this, and then we're going to set this up like this. Actually, I'm gonna just skip to the part to after I have it set up, because I'm pretty sure you don't want to see this. But for future videos, if you do want to see stuff like this, where as I'm putting a product together, then let me know in the comment section below. But for watch time purposes, I'm going to just skip until I have it together. Alright, so I'm definitely going to hate myself if I look in post edit and I can't actually see, but I can't actually see the screen on the camera, so I don't know how good this looks. But anyway, so before we go into the sound test, I would like to talk about a few design things that I don't necessarily see wrong, but these are some things I can see to improve. But one, I do not like how, I don't know if you can tell here, but this sits back and not kind of like forward or on top, and so it does kind of feel like it's getting further away from me if I need to talk, which I feel like is important, just because of the fact that if we don't know how this sounds yet, so this could be, you know, obsolete once we do the sound test. But I do feel like it's pulling it back from me, and I can't really pull it towards me. Like, I can do it like that, but that kind of doesn't make any sense. So I do wish it was a little forward. And then the stand, it only has like one setting. Like, see, it's not gonna stay any other way, so you do have to kind of do it like this every time. And I just wish that it would have some type of settings where you can kind of just sit it. I guess you could sit it like this. So, but see, I don't know, and that could be because of the pop filter. So if you don't have the pop filter, you may not have that problem. But those are just two small things that I can see to improve. The pop filter, if you do get the pop filter, came with these as well to adjust for different FiFine microphones. So they did a good job with that. Like all the packaging and stuff as well. This is very easy to put together, so I had no issues whatsoever. And I do think the pop filter is quality, so you will not be wasting your money with getting the pop filter. But now let's get into the most important part, which is the sound test. So let's go ahead and do that. Alright, so as you can tell, I'm going ahead and I'm already talking and I'm recording it, and I have my AirPods in my ear to hear what I'm saying. To be honest, I think it sounds pretty well, and it's definitely messing me up right now hearing myself in my own ear. But this is what it sounds like when I'm this distance away. So if you're playing a game, or even if you're using this to record your videos, this kind of sounds pretty good. I know people who do podcasts, they'll probably sit a lot closer. So let's go ahead and move up so we can see how that sounds. All right, so if you're a podcaster, this is exactly what it's going to sound like. This sounds pretty good. I think I might be a little too close, but I have no complaints. This sounds pretty good. If you're someone, like I said, that's gaming and even podcasting, this doesn't sound like a bad mic. I had no doubts that the sound quality would be good just because I felt like the mic was made very quality. But I did have some issues like with the design, such as the stand. But like I said, with the mic, I really didn't have any issues. There's no gain knob, but at the same time, it's $32, $33. So it's not like it needs to have all the bells and whistles. If you just need a plug and play, I actually feel firm that this could be a good microphone. But that will basically do it for the video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you to FiFine for sending me this microphone. I can't wait to work with y'all some more. This is, like I said, I think I would give this for a budget microphone, I think I would give this a B plus. I think it sounds pretty well. I think it's made pretty well. It's really just the stand, and that's really it. And just kind of how it's designed and how it sits back, and then how the stand feels a little loose, and the weight distribution of the mic I feel like isn't supported by the stand. But I like this. I think this is pretty good. You have no complaints from me whatsoever. And like I said, I think that'll do it. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.